Tinupad ko na yung pangarap mo nung sinagot kita. Wala sa isip kong aabot tayo ng ganito katagal at dadating na magpapakasal ng hindi lang isa, kundi 2 beses pa. Sabi nila, hanapin mo yung taong tama. Hindi ko ginawa. Hinintay ko yung taong tamang na ibibigay ni Lord. Minsan nga lang, hindi ko na malaman kung tamang tao ka pa ba o ikaw na yung may tama.
Love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows.
Tere, salamat. Yung oras ko sa'yo, mamaya, takal.
I'm in love. Yeah. I'm stepping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming. Walking around in this
Pangalan?
love haze.
Nakainom na ako eh.
Wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your
Mahilig tayo sa gold, diba? Kaya sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Mahaba yan para hindi ka masakal kasi mamaya ibang sakal naman.
Oh, now your love is
Brian J!
fills me up. It's out of control.
Hindi ko alam kung ba't kita kinuha eh. Oh, Hilario! Go, go!
It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby,
Hindi ko alam na may isipan mo to. Pero good luck. Masakal ka na.
it's out of control.
Wala yan!
It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah. Out of control. I'm in love.
Sa wakas, Dad, kasal na tayo sa simbahan na dati pangarap lang natin. Kung may isa akong desisyon na naging tama, ito yung makasama ka sa habang buhay. Mahal kita sa hirap, mahal kita sa ginhawa, mahal kita sa lungkot, mahal kita sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Ikaw sa bawat umaga, simula noon, kahapon, at sa lahat ng bukas.
Again, just one more time,
Naiyak na ako ah.
'cause I wanna see it whenever I close my eyes. If I write it down and hold it close, would it give me this feeling whenever I need it most? Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like.
Marvin at saka Teresa, wherever that love is being offered to you by God, don't forget that that is the reason bakit kayo nakipag-iisang dibdib ngayon sa inyong pagmamahalan. It's not because you are perfect to each other. It's because that in the love of God, you are perfecting your love for
When
each
we're far from home and the winds get strong, know that I'll keep us steady.
May mga bagay man tayong hindi na pagkakaintindihan, madalas, nananatili pa din tayong matatag sa gitna ng kaliwat kanan na problema. Ngayong araw na ito, pangakong mananatiling uunawain, magpapatawad at pipiliing mahalin ka araw-araw hanggang sa kabilang buhay. Salamat, Pangit. Umpisahan na natin ang bagong yugto ng ating pagsasama. I love you.
Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget.
Walang tere kung walang joke. Walang joke kung walang tere. Ikaw at ako ay isa na sa mundong walang kasiguraduhan. Sa'yo alam ko na sigurado ako.